Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can edit and delete text template in our video on Capcut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application and I'm going to open up one of the projects I have in Capcut. I'm going to add text template to this project, for example. Before I show you how we can edit and delete the text template, I'm going to add it to my video. Okay, I'm going to go to the text and here we'll have option to add text template. I'm just going to click on text template and then we can choose the text template we want to use. And as you can see, we have a lot of categories right here and you can choose the text template that you like or text template which is suitable for your video. For example, if you want to add title, you can choose title category, but here I'm going to select the Christmas text template. Okay, make sure you have good internet connection to download the text template. Alright, and if you want to edit the text template, you just need to tap on that and then you will be able to change it. I'm just going to change it like this. Okay, and then you can zoom in or zoom out. Oops, sorry, I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, and then I'm going to add another text template. I'm going to go to the text template and I'm going to select title text template. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to edit it. If you want to edit, we can click on the text template and then you can change it like this. Alright, and then I'm going to show you guys how we can delete the text template from our video. Okay, if you want to delete it, you just need to click on the text and then you're going to select the text template you want to delete. You will be able to select multiple text template as well if you want to delete them all at once. I have selected 2 text templates and I'm just going to delete it. Alright, and now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit and delete text template in your video on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!